in Hong Kong Global Sources, and we are Jakemy. We are the experts in making toolkits for the electronic devices like smartphone, laptop computers, and all kinds of digital products. Today I'm going to show you 3 of our latest new model. First of all, I would like to start with this model. Come with the first layer. You can see it comes with a S2 screwdriver bits and a hand slip screwdriver handle. Here it's very easy to take it off because it's magnetic, and you can use it to put into the screwdriver handle. And let's come to the second layer. We can see here is the opening tool, and also comes with the scissors and the art knife. And this is the socket adapters for different size of screwdriver bits. This is the sponger and the magnetizer. Let's see the specification in the catalog here, and the model number is JM8173, and this one is also our patent product, so we have the patent in the design. Okay. Now let's move to the second model. It's a mini and portable toolkit, which is very convenient to carry. It comes with the aluminum alloy case. The design is very unique because it's push, left and right push. And comes with the screwdriver bits, S2 screwdriver bits. And the hand slip screwdriver handle. Let's see the specification in the catalog. And the model is JM8170. Now let's move to the final model. It's our intelligent electric screwdriver. It's very skin friendly. You won't feel tired when you use it for a long time because it's very sharp, and it has the LED lights for the all direction when you use it in the dark places. And it's very high efficiency because it's electric. You can take one screw in 1 second. Very help you to save the times and labor costs. And it comes with 20 screwdriver bits. You can put it inside the screwdriver handle. Here we can see the details in the catalog. The model number is JMY01. And we're looking for the distributors, importers, trading company, and the supermarket. If you have any interest, please contact us. Thank you.